Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Manish Garg, Assistant Professor of Mathematics at Government College, Ahedwala, Bilaspur, District, Yamunanagar, Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra. Today, I am going to discuss all of you about the topic matrices. What is matrices? What is matrix? A matrix will be denoted by capital letter A over a field K is a rectangular array of scalars usually presented in the following form. You can say that a matrix is the arrangement of element over the field K in the form of row and column. You can say that in the slide A is equal to small a11, small a12, small 1n, a21, a22, a2n, and up to last row am1, am2, amn. The element aij called the ijth entry or ijth element appears in ith row and jth column. We denote a matrix by simple writing A is equal to square brackets small aij m cross n. What is matrix? A matrix is the arrangement of element in the form of row and column, where we denote the element of matrices in the form of aij, where I denotes the row and j denotes the column, and aij denotes the element at the ijth position in the matrix A. ठीक है. What how we denote matrix A will be equal to in square brackets aij m cross n. What is m cross n? M is the number of rows and n is the number of columns. So this is all about matrix. You can say matrix definition. Next we have the some properties of matrices. Consider any two matrices, any three matrices A, B, C with same size. Same size means number of columns and rows must be same in all three matrices A, B and C. What is first property? A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A. What do you mean by 0? 0 is the zero matrices. Zero matrix. A zero matrix is a matrix in which all the elements is equal to 0. So if we add any zero matrix to any matrix, that result will be same. A plus minus A is equal to zero matrix. Minus A means we change the sign of every element of a matrix A. If we have the plus sign, then will be minus sign, and minus sign then will be plus sign. So A plus minus A will be zero matrix. A plus B plus C. This is associativity property, means if we add first two matrix, then result will be added into third matrix. Then result will be same if we add last two matrix and result that result with first matrix. Fourth property is AB, C and BC multiplied by A will be same. Similar case with the multiplication. And fifth property is distributive property, means if we add two matrices then multiplied by A, that will be equal to AB plus AC. And last property is A plus B is equal to B plus A, means in matrix addition commutative property holds, means we can add any two matrices in any order. A plus B is equal to B plus A. So these are some basic properties of matrices. Next, we explain the concept of matrix with some example. Next, we have the concept of transpose of matrix. What do you mean by transpose of a matrix? Transpose of a matrix means if we change the order of the matrix and position of the element of the matrix, then result will be the transpose of the matrix. For example, if we have a matrix, then the element at the position 1 2 means first row second column will be changed as 2 1 means second row first column. That is the concept of transpose. And there are some properties of transpose. A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Similar in the case of subtraction. If you multiply some integer scalar with a matrix ka transpose will be equal to k बाहर आ जाएगा आपके पास and A transpose. If you take the transpose double transpose of a matrix, that will be equal to matrix A. It means if you transpose the matrix, and again transpose that matrix, that will be A matrix. If AB is defined, then AB transpose equal to B transpose A transpose. Why there is written AB is defined means, if A multiplication of A and B is possible, then AB transpose equal to B transpose A transpose. There are some special types of matrices. First is row matrix. A matrix is said to be row if it consists only one row. What is column matrix? If it consists only one column. Diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be a matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix if all non-diagonal entries are zero. There are only diagonal elements and all other elements are zero. Scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix. This is the form of diagonal matrix. Is said to be scalar matrix if all the diagonal elements are same. With whatever be, but must be same. Symmetric matrix. What is symmetry matrix? A symmetric matrix is said to be symmetric if transpose of the matrix equal to the matrix, means Aij is equal to Aji. And skew symmetric matrix, a matrix is said to be skew symmetric matrix if transpose of that matrix is equal to minus of that matrix, means Aij is equal to minus Aji. In this case, clearly diagonal elements of the skew symmetric matrix must be 0. So this is all about matrix types and special type of square matrices. Thank you so much.